Well, the Congress party has also been campaigning. Their top brass was missing in action. And now Rahul Gandhi set to make an entry into the campaign trail. We are told that ahead of February 5 elections, Rahul Gandhi will be seen at one of the rallies in Delhi for the Congress candidate. It's scheduled in Seelampur, northeast Delhi. Congress has already launched the third guarantee, promising 8,500 rupees, 1-year apprenticeship for every educated unemployed youth under the Yuva Udaan Yojana if the Congress is voted to government. Congress has taken a direct aim at BJP and Aam Aadmi Party, both saying that they have neglected young men and women and have failed to address the issue of unemployment in Delhi. Now, despite being allies otherwise in the India bloc, AAP and Congress have been fiercely targeting each other. Will the situation and the tide turn for the Congress party with Rahul Gandhi's entry?
पिछले 10 साल में जिस तरीके का हालात दिल्ली के हुए हैं, चाहे वो बीमारी से संबंधित हमारी योजना हो, चाहे महिलाओं को जिनको आज बेरोजगारी और महंगाई की मार झेलनी पड़ रही है, और उसी के तहत युवा उड़ान योजना आज हमने लागू की है। आज हमने उसका अनाउंसमेंट किया है और इसके जरिए हम कोशिश करेंगे कि जितने भी शिक्षित बेरोजगार हैं उनको पहली कोशिश हमारी रहेगी कि किसी न किसी कंपनी में उनको एडजस्ट किया जाए, और जिसको जब तक एडजस्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे 1 साल के लिए उसको 8500 रुपए की हम मदद सरकार की तरफ से पहुंचाने का काम करेंगे।
Home Minister Amit Shah decided to mock the Congress party and said that the India alliance basically already looks like it's at the brink of a collapse, referring to these rift and charges at Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party.
दिल्ली में चुनाव आया, कांग्रेस और आप पार्टी अलग लड़ रहे हैं। बंगाल में तृणमूल कांग्रेस और आप पार्टी, तृणमूल कांग्रेस और कांग्रेस अलग पड़े हैं। बिहार में लालू भी छटपटा रहे हैं। पूरा इंडिया अलायंस एक घमंडिया गठबंधन वेर विखेर होने की शुरुआत हुई है। इसमें महाराष्ट्र के कार्यकर्ताओं का बहुत बड़ा योगदान है। आपके विजय ने इनका आत्मविश्वास समाप्त करा।
Ashutosh Mishra joining me on this. Ashutosh, you tell me, do you think this will make a difference as Rahul Gandhi jumps in? Because Samajwadi Party, UBT, TMC have expressed support for the Aam Aadmi Party. Where do you think that leaves the Congress Party? And is there a rift, so to say, in the India bloc?
Well, if you see in a two-way, Pooja, one is the optics. In optics, it indeed gives a boost to the Aam Aadmi Party, whereas almost all the regional blocks of the India bloc have come in the support of the Aam Aadmi Party. Subsequently, it also gives a message to the biggest party in the India bloc, to the Congress, that now the regional players will have a larger say. And even at extent saying that, look, even the BJP could not form the government. They are surviving only on the support of the regional parties. So that's the message that the regional parties, through this support, extending support to the AAP, have given to the Congress party. Now, coming to the electoral fray of the Delhi, whenever there is a triangular contest, of course, it not only makes it interesting, but it also, becomes critical for the ruling party on and off, and also depends. Because remember, in Delhi, more than the BJP, the Aam Aadmi Party is the biggest rival for the Congress party, because ultimately the AAP has survived only after, politically eliminating the Congress from Delhi. And since then, the Congress could not be able to turn back. Of course, in 2019, they were marginally higher. In a Lok Sabha elections, even 2020, there was an alliance. So that makes, the relationship very complicated, that in Delhi, you are an arch rival. There's a break-off whenever you need the support in the parliament on certain bills or certain national agenda, then you'll be, walking together. So that makes a relationship very complicated. But Congress does acknowledge that more than BJP, it is the threat, the Aam Aadmi Party, that poses for the Congress, particularly in the state of Delhi. And that's exactly why you see the Rahul Gandhi himself coming up for the campaign, and probably you'll have almost top guns of the Congress party will be campaigning for the Delhi elections for the Congress party. Now that also makes challenging for the AAP, because if the Congress, retains the ground and get even stronger, that will potentially damage the Aam Aadmi Party. And very interestingly, how the politics becomes very interesting, that BJP is also hoping on the strong play of the Congress party, because the BJP believes stronger the Congress, weaker the Aam Aadmi Party, and of course that will help the BJP ultimately. So probably it may not be the fight for the Congress to win the election,
eventually,
but at least to be
eventually,
the second player,
Ashutosh,
or be
it's
the
all
main
about
opposition
permutations, combinations, political calculations, and for each party, remember, it's a high-stake battle this time for national capital Delhi. So we'll be tracking, and with the first rally of Rahul Gandhi.